It's March 1st, 2009, and there's Aiden in his wiener dog pajamas, because it's cold outside, with a big yawn. He's chilling out on the couch with Daddy. Aw, leave him alone. Leave this baby alone. Oh, why are you fussing? We were just very happy. You were just very happy, little one. Aww. Had a lot of activity today. People came to visit. Aww.
Oh, yeah. It's so hard to get up.
I know. Believe me, I know.
Because you don't want to spring forward and let him go fly.
You have to be careful of him. He even has wiener dogs on his feet. Very special. Aunt Steffi gave him these pajamas. Aunt Steffi gave you these jammy jams. See, look at him. He is all happy now. Hooray!
He's a curly baby.
He's a little less curly now. Not as curly as he was. He's starting to straighten out a bit. But he does like to be curled up in a ball a little bit. That's right. That's right, sweet boy. So handsome. So very handsome baby. I see this boy. You looking at Mommy? Hi, precious. Aww. He is a good baby boy. Yes. Aren't you, sweetie? That's my boy. Even Nala likes to hang out. She hangs out on the couch too. And then there's Salem, who wants to get a little snack. Whole family's in here. Hooray! Bye, Aiden. Bye-bye, little one. Bye-bye, Mommy's baby. Aw, watch his head. There we go. There we go. Bye-bye.
How many videos are you taking?
A lot. He's looking at you. It was so cute. I didn't want to stop. Aww. He's so cute, though. He's a sweet boy. Alright, that's it, and that's all. Exactly.